The answer is 56. How? Okay, let's solve it together. We are using the PEMDAS rule, using PEMDAS or board mass. They are the same. So what we will do is that we'll first solve this exponent first. So we have 4 plus 9 squared is 81. So that will become 4 plus 4 plus 81 divided by 3 times 3 and then minus 2. Sorry, times 2, then minus 2. Now, the next thing we are to solve here is division. Don't mind the order this appears. It doesn't matter if multiplication and division, they are on the same hierarchy, and addition and subtraction are on the same hierarchy. So whenever you see something like this, since division appears first, you divide before you multiply. So that means we'll be having 4 plus 81 divided by 3 we give 27. Then we have times 2 minus 2. So we have 4 plus the next thing is to multiply. 27 times 2 we give 54, then minus 2. Then we can add and subtract. So this will give 58 minus 2. And the answer is 56. Did you get it?